Okay, so we're filming in this part of Macau, and I'm just going to keep the camera on for a little bit and just kind of let you see what I can see. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're filming in this part of Macau, and I'm just going to keep the camera on for a little bit and just kind of let you see what I can see. But this is nighttime in Macau. Finally got my GoPro back, so I'm pretty glad about that. You can see all the cool stuff around here. And basically, if you go this way, you can go down to this one park. This is called Avenida do Coronel Mesquita. And basically what I'm going to do is try to catch a bus and just kind of show you whatever I see while I'm walking that way to catch it. Maybe I might walk down this way. So we're going to walk down this road. I just kind of see this big red kiosk, so I want to see what that's all about. So yeah, this is part of Macau, and this is kind of up where there's a lot more tall buildings and some kind of interesting stuff, like some kind of stadium that I don't really see much of. I'm just gonna see what this red thing is. It looks like this is a post office. I don't know if many people use post offices anymore, but that's one. And some buses. Let's see if we can grab a bus. So we're gonna take a look and see. This is what the buses look like in Macau. So okay, let's just take a look. I'm seeing if anything goes to Taipa, which is where I'm gonna try to go right now. And looks like some of these, nope. Here's some more. So, okay. Anyways, I'm going to turn the camera off for a little bit, and then I'll just kind of show you this. So, okay. There, that's kind of some sports center, Bosco College. This is kind of a cool apartments because I like all this design right here. It's kind of cool as well. Some beautiful windows, and they kind of fold in, basically. And I'm just going to take the camera around a little bit, and we're going to walk down one of these side streets in a minute. CTM phones. See, it looks like we can go right now. There's no red light, or no light at all. And we're just going to go down one of these roads like this. I'm just going to see some of the stuff. Those are kind of cool apartments right there. They have these nice corner lots with this big, kind of a big balcony. There's some really cool apartments in Macau. I wish the prices weren't so high. I think I would like to live in something interesting like that. Because you can be out on the balcony but have like security all around you too. Dark alleys. There's a shop over here. Let's kind of walk towards the shop. Alright, so there's not a lot to see in this particular spot. It's at nighttime, but you know, you kind of get a glimpse. Here's some apartments, Grand View Garden, some piping that's right there, parking garage. But this is kind of typical Macau, so you know, if you're trying to see what typical Macau looks like, a lot of it looks like this. And there's not a lot of activity on this particular street. I am going to go somewhere else soon, so I get some other better footage, interesting footage. But you know, if you don't know Macau, maybe all of it's a little bit interesting anyway. So, but anyways, we'll turn it off. People are parking their spot, their cars, their scooters right here, and Just gonna walk to the end of the street and then just see what we see, and then we'll probably turn off the camera shortly after that. Okay. All right. We'll just kind of go by these lions right here. Some kind of lions that overlook a temple right here. And there's a temple at nighttime, city temple. And we're kind of walking down one of these main streets. Wow, there's a pizza place, Lavish Pizza. Haven't seen that before. Anyways, Lavish Pizza. You see that pizza place? So, let's see. Looks like that pizza place is Italian foods. And we're gonna close off the camera in a minute. I'm looking good in the spot, I guess. Some really beautiful birds right here. Playing with the dog. We got that one too. So, okay. Just gonna walk down a little bit further. Thought I'd turn off the camera, and then I came across those beautiful birds, so throw that on. And yep, so this is a slice of Macau. Chiquinha, chiquinha.